I'm excited to announce that the Zen Rooms is coming to Falmouth, May 29 for one day only. I'm Perry-Timson, the founder of the Zen Rooms, and I'm thrilled to invite you to this day of tranquility and transformation. Join us at the Goose Barn in Falmouth for a day with 3 experiences. Whether you're looking to reconnect yourself, develop spiritually, manage stress, or just looking for a day of relaxation and peace, we have something for everybody. We are bringing together 3 transformative events to reconnect your mind, body and spirit. Here's what we have in store. We're starting the day with Reiki One Attunement. Reiki is not just about healing others, it's a profound initiation to self-healing. Under my guidance, you'll discover how to access and channel your internal energy to alleviate stress, cultivate inner peace and develop spiritually. Next, immerse yourself in our colour light and sound bath. This session uses a soothing blend of vibrant lights and resonant sounds to promote deep relaxation and mental clarity. It's an accessible form of meditation that rejuvenates your senses and spirit, ideal for both beginners and seasoned wellness enthusiasts. And finally, ground yourself in our Shamanic drumming workshop. Feel the earth's heartbeat as you connect with ancient rhythms, enhancing your focus and emotional balance. Whether you're seeking a spiritual lift or a break from the daily grind, this day is for you. Emerge from any of these sessions feeling refreshed and empowered. But don't wait, spaces fill up fast. Join us for a day that could transform your life. Click to learn more and secure your spot now. Subscribe to our channel for future events and wellness tips. Your journey to a more balanced life starts here at the Zen Rooms.